Hello, welcome. We're here at the Golden Wheel Mobile Home Park, where today we're going to be giving you an update on the Coyote Creek Flood Protection Project. If you're out there watching this, there's still plenty of time for you to come on down to the, we're at Golden Wheel, we're at 900 Golden Wheel Park. In the moment, we're going to hear Director Santos give us some comments. But at the same time, you guys can see right here the report. If you have any questions of staff, any comments, feel free to just pop them right into the comment box, and staff here will respond to you live. So again, feel free to ask any questions, and we'll be happy to answer them. Thank you, and welcome, and we'll have Director Santos come up in a few moments. Thank you very much.
I'm Caitlin McAlpine. I'm the acting project manager for the Coyote Creek Flood Management Project. So thanks so much for tuning in and joining us to learn more about our project. Right here we have a board making a couple of accomplishments and improvements that we've done in Coyote Creek since the 2017 flood event, such as removing vegetation in the creek, installing some flood gauges on the bridges, so for some real-time understanding of the water levels. We also have kind of some extension projects down in the Rock Springs neighborhood, and we installed an interim flood barrier around the Rock Springs Park. Here we have some more examples of vegetation removal and an emergency action plan to reduce flooding, and emergency levee repair around the Golden Wheel Mobile Home Park. And here we have kind of an outline of where our project extends from Montague Expressway all the way to Tully Road. And here is a timeline slide kind of outlining the different phases of the project. So first we had our planning phase from 2017 until 2020, and right now we're currently in the design phase from 2020. And for our flood management project, we'll be wrapping up the design at the end of the calendar year and starting construction. For the second phase of our project, we're going to continue design until 2024, and then we'll start out with construction.
Caitlin, can you tell us again, when do you expect construction to start for this project?
So for the Flood Management Measures project also known as Project A, we'll be starting construction at the end of 2022, beginning of 2023. And here we have a rendering of the Reach 6 flood wall. So we have here a picture of the flood wall for up to Project B. And then we also are showing the Coyote Creek Trail Bridge and pedestrian pathway that's going to be built by the city of San Jose. And then on this other side of the creek, we have a picture of the Project A flood wall.
And whereabouts is this reach or section of the project located?
So Reach 6 is located just north of Highway 101. So Highway 101 is right in the back portion here, and south of Mayberry Road.
Right.
And here we have a board showing the flood wall that's going to be around the Coyote Creek Outdoor Classroom, which is in Route 7, just north of the William Street Bridge. So right here we have what we're calling the combi flood wall, which is going to be a combination of sheet pile and tubular pile. So it's going to be a steel sheet pile type wall. Here we also have a picture of Route 7. It's actually at the William Street Park location, just at the south end. In Project A, we'll be putting in a short 3-foot wall at the south end here. And then in Project B, we'll have other elements that will come back in and construct at a later date. And here's kind of just an outline of the various parcels and coordination involved with specifically Reach 5 of Coyote Creek.
Great, Caitlin. Thank you very much.
Thanks
Now,
so much.
is there anything else you'd like to share about the project?
There's a lot of different elements, flood wall elements, and it's really exciting to design and exciting to hopefully get our construction started and see what it looks like out there. So let us know if you have any other questions. I'd love to answer them.
Great. Thank you very much, Caitlin.
Thanks so much.
Yeah. Thank you again, folks. That was Caitlin. She's our acting project engineer for the Coyote Management project. Again, we're here at the Golden Wheel Mobile Home Park. There's still time for you to come down here and look at the boards yourself. Again, we're located at 900 Golden Wheel Park. And for those of you that can't make it today, we're going to be tomorrow's meeting is going to be at the Samuel Linder Park near the dog park. So that's the end of the park, close to 280. That meeting will be 5:30 to 7 p.m. So if you can't join us today, maybe you can join us tomorrow. And again, if you have any questions, any comments, feel free to just put them into the comment box, and staff here would be happy to answer them live or to respond to you. Again, thank you for joining us, and we're going to continue with the open house. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. Hi, I'm Richard Santos, your director of the Santa Cruz Valley Water District. We welcome everybody to tonight's topic of Coyote Creek flood protection. The Valley Water staff, we want to thank Jose. Thank you. And we're on Facebook and we're live here. So wear your mask, be safe. A couple words. We get going to want to recognize the City of San Jose Park and Recreation Neighborhood Services. I think we have Gatlin and Joanna.
Caitlin and Julianne are Valley Water. Nicole is
Nicole.
Oh, okay. Welcome. Thank you. We're here tonight to have questions about the San Jose Parks and Recreation. Many have asked that we have construction as soon as possible. Of course, common sense. The good news is that we will start the construction this fall. Staff is in the final steps of the project's design, and soon we'll begin to obtain the necessary regulatory permits, which is very hard to do in the state of California and Santa Clara County. These projects are a high priority for Valley Water, and they represent a commitment to supporting the community's public health and safety. Our goal is to reduce the risk of flooding in homes and schools, businesses, and highways in Coyote Creek floodplain that we encountered, of course, back in February of 2017. It was devastating. I used to be a firefighter right down here on 10th Street, so I used to evacuate this place for years. So, it's always a priority to make sure we have life safety. Over the years, we had several public meetings, and now we're meeting again. It's always been very well attended. I see tonight we have some pizza, so maybe some more people will come. Sure. Although we're talking about flood protection, make sure you know, and it's sad, I just had about 8 hours of meetings today with the Department of Water Resources. I can go on and on. The governor's office yesterday. We are in a severe water drought. It's really, really serious. So it's going to take everybody. If we're going to try to educate and reduce the amount of water people are using, it's a very serious issue. And of course, Anderson Dam is down. It's about 40% of water in 1,200 dams throughout California. So it's imperative, if you want to get fined, that's not what we want to do. We want to educate first. But we're going to have water restrictions, and it's very serious. 15%. We all need to help each other, because I can tell you all how about doing it. We have rebate programs and so on. So take advantage of those. Ask our staff. They'll help you out. You have home inspections. We'll come out and help you out. So pay attention to those things. Anytime we're here, just ask. We'll help you. So with that, stay healthy. Enjoy yourself. See how it's being built. Have your input. We want to keep you all safe. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Chair Santos, for your comments. Next, I'd like to invite our interpreter, Monica, who...
Buenas tardes a todos. Al servicio de interpretación, si alguien necesita interpretación, con mucho gusto yo le colaboro en español. Gracias.
Thank you, Monica. HD, would you also like to make an announcement in Vietnamese, please?
Trước khi làm những hình sao, xin được trình bày với quý vị là ngày hôm nay rất là khó được những người đại diện của cơ quan về Santa Clara Water district, họ đến đây để họ hướng dẫn cho mình về cái cách mà mình bảo vệ làm sao cho nước được an toàn và cũng như là để tiết kiệm nước để cho mình không có bị cái sự hạn hán nó làm hại đến cái cuộc sống của mình. Và quý vị có câu hỏi, quý vị hỏi và chúng tôi sẽ truyền lại cho những người có chức vụ ở đây.
Thank you very much for your comments. Again, folks, we're down here at the Goldenville Mobile Home Park, so there's still plenty of time for you to come down here, look at the boards. In the next 10-15 minutes, we'll review the boards once again in case you just joined us and missed it. But we're also going to be posting the boards to the project website after tomorrow's meeting. And tomorrow we're also having another meeting at the Seminole Lender Park. That meeting will also be 5:30 to 7 o'clock, so if you can't join us today, maybe you can join us tomorrow. So that's it. I invite our attendees here to please come look at the boards. We have lots of great water-saving gadgets to give out and information as well. And of course, if you're thirsty, we have water. If you're hungry, we got some pizza for you as well. So for those out there listening to us on Facebook, again, we have pizza, so come on, come over and grab a slice. Thank you. Anyway, folks, we received a question from Facebook Live. I'm going to read it out loud, and then we're going to have Kalani, who is our deputy operating officer for watershed provide a response. The question is, the land beside the local home park, this is an overflow area of flood water. There are going to be a lot of unwanted homes. Are they going to be displaced and doing the levy? And for that, we have Kalani, who is going to be operating as Kalani.
Thank you, Jose. My name is Rolani, and I oversee the design and construction division here in Valley Water. So the homeless encampments along the Creek area, we will be working in coordination with the city of San Jose to figure out a transition plan and phasing for them and figure out alternatives for that during the construction part. We've already been working on those plans, and the areas impacted during construction will be coordinating with the city of San Jose. They're the ones that work through with rehousing or automated homeless encampments in that area. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Rolani, for that response. Again, folks, if you have a question or comment, please put it into the comment box, and our staff here will be happy to answer for you. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Caitlin McAlpine. I'm the acting project manager for the Coyote Creek Flood Management Hedges project. Thanks so much for tuning in and learning more about our project. So I'm going to go over our boards here that we have in the open house. So first up, we have a board about our accomplishments and improvements that we've done along Coyote Creek since the 2017 flood event. We've done some risk reduction measures such as planting vegetation and installing flood gauges along the bridges for real-time information about the flood levels in the creek. Extending our project down the southern end of Rock Springs neighborhood, and also installing an interim flood barrier along Rock Springs Park. Yeah. And then over here we also have additional some vegetation removal along the creek, development of an emergency action plan to reduce risk of flooding, and some emergency levee repair around the whole part. Here is a map of regions of our project. So we have our project extending from Ronnie Lewis Expressway, the northern end, all the way to Tully Road. The green here depicts the Coyote Creek Flood Management project, which is also known as Project A, where we'll be starting construction late fall 2022. And the purple is our flood protection project. Here we have a timeline slide which shows the different phases of our project. So we started the flood event in early 2017. Then we had our planning phase from 2017 all the way to 2020. And then we started our design phase. So we have our design from 2020 for the Coyote Creek Flood Management Measures project design will be wrapping up at the end of 2022, and then starting construction in late fall of 2022. And then for the flood protection project, we'll have design until early 2024, and then we'll go ahead and start construction. Below here, we just have kind of a history of all of the public engagements that we've had since the beginning of our project. And here we have a rendering of Reach 6, so the flood walls along Reach 6 of Coyote, where there's going to be city Saturday constructing their trail. I will be north of Highway 101 and south of Bakery. So here on this side of the bridge, we're showing the project C. Flood feature is a combination of flood use and how. And then on the project B side, on the other side of the bridge, you can see we have approximately 5-inch and here we have another rendering of the combination flood wall in Reach 7 that will be surrounding the Coyote Creek Outdoor Classroom and just north of the Coyote Street Bridge. There is another rendering of the flood wall that's at the south end of the Village Park. This is also in Reach 7. The William Street Park is just south of the William Street Bridge. Here we have a map of the areas and of So thanks so much for joining, tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, you can type that into the chat box, and myself or another member of staff will help in answering any of the questions that you have. So thanks so much.
Thank you, folks. Again, that was Jason who just took us through each of the boards. And actually, you can see all the maps and the images of the boards. So we're going to be uploading these boards to the project website that you can access from valleywater.org under the Coyote Creek Flood Protection Project. Of course, will be there for you to view, to download, to ask staff questions. And again, if there's a comment or question, please go ahead and comment into the chat box there, and someone from staff there will gladly answer the question. And again, tomorrow we're going to be over at the Linder Park. We're going to have the skateboards on display, go over the stream information, and come up as well. So if you have time, please do join us tomorrow. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Caitlin McAlpine. I'm the acting project manager for the Coyote Creek Flood Management Measures Project. Thanks so much for joining us on the live stream to learn more about the project. So I'm going to go through the boards that we have here at the open house. So first up here, we have a board showing some of our accomplishments and improvements that we've done along the creek since the 2017 flood event. We have some removing of debris and installing flood gauges on the bridges, and that's going to help us have real-time information about the flood levels of the creek, extending our project and include the Rock Springs neighborhood, and then constructing an interim flood wall along the Rock Springs Park. Over here we have some additional vegetation removal along the creek, development of an emergency action plan for reducing the risk of flooding, and then we have some emergency levee repair around the Golden Mill Mobile Home Park as well. Then here we have a map showing the different regions of our project extents. So we have at the downstream end, the north portion at Montague Expressway, and then extending all the way south to the upstream portion at Hollywood. The yellow green here shows the Coyote flood management project, which is what we're also referring to as Project A. It's on a slightly accelerated timeline. First part reaches 5, portions of 6 and 7. And then we have our Coyote Creek Flood Protection Project in purple, which reaches 4, 6, portions of 6 and 7, and reach 8. Here we're showing our timeline of the different phases of our project. So after the flood event in February 2017, we started the planning phase of our project, so from 2017 until 2020. And then that's when we started the design portion of our project. So the Coyote Creek Flood Management project slightly accelerated timeline from 2020, wrapping up design in late fall 2022, and then that's when we were kind of beginning construction. Then we have our Coyote Flood Protection project. We're going to have design wrapping up in early 2024, and then going ahead and starting construction. Then down here we kind of have a summary of all the public engagement, the public meetings that we've had since the beginning of the project. So here we have a rendering of some floodgates that we'll have in year 6, which is going to be south of the Coyote and north of the So here we have what we're calling a combination flood wall. So it's a combination of sheet pile, single sheet pile, and tubular piles. That will be in our project B portion. And then project A on the other side of the creek, also a sheet pile wall, approximately 3 feet 5 inches. And then along here in this reach, the city is also going to be constructing their Coyote trail and pedestrian trail. Here is another rendering of combination flood wall outside of the outdoor or the Coyote Creek outdoor classroom, which is in our reach 7, which is just north of the William Street Bridge. There is another picture of reach 7 flood wall, the sheet pile flood wall, but we're showing kind of an optional flood or optional wood paneling on the side here. And this area is the southern end of William Street Park. We'll have other elements in our project B around the park as well. This is one flood wall that will be part of project A. Yeah. Here is an overview map of part of reach, or most of reach 5, and a portion of reach 6 here, just showing the different landowners and various entities and agencies and private landowners that will have to coordinate in order to construct this project. So thanks again everyone for joining us. And we have a couple more minutes, maybe 2 or 3 minutes to take more questions in the chat. And then we're probably going to go ahead and wrap up our open house here. But if you're free to join us tomorrow, we'll be at Selma Ollinger Park from 5:30 to 7. See you there. Thanks so much.
Thank you.